So
Okay,
now
ma'am.
everybody please
Okay,
listen.
ma'am.
Be on mute. Let Netik speak.
Monstag.
Wait,
D.
Netik. You have to start from the beginning. Start from weekdays, then say English, Deutsch, and then start with the days. Start with weekdays. Die Wochentage.
D. Wochentag.
Wrong.
Dicht.
So if anybody makes any mistake, I will raise my hand. So Netik, it's die
Okay, ma'am.
Wochentage. Say slowly. Let's not run. Let's not run.
D. Wochentag.
Very nice. Now what is this?
English.
Okay, English.
English.
Now what is this?
Utah. English.
Deutsch.
Utah.
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Very nice. Now say
Montag.
very nice.
Dienstag.
Good.
Mittwoch.
Very nice.
Donnerstag.
Appreciate efforts of student
Very
by
nice.
watching full video.
Freitag.
Good.
Samstag.
Very nice.
Sonntag.
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 Very nice. Okay, Netik, please be on mute. Now it's Agrim's turn. Agrim, start from the Wochentage.
Okay, ma'am.
Die
Die
Wochentage.
Wochentage. English. English.
Yes. Then what do we say?
Deutsch.
German? Yes.
Montag. Dienstag.
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 Yes.
Mittwoch. Mittwoch. Donnerstag. Freitag. Samstag. Donnerstag.
Samstag. Say Samstag.
Samstag.
Sonntag.
Sonntag.
हाँ. Samstags में देखो S है. That's why we are saying Zams. But in Sonntag there is no S, so it will be Sonntag. Okay, Amitosh, you were raising the hand. Anything you want to speak?
Ma'am, Montag.
Wait, Agrim, I didn't say that you have to speak. I will ask you to speak turn by turn. So please wait for your turn. Now Kushagra's turn. Kushagra, please start.
Okay, ma'am. Weekday. Die Wochentag.
Okay, wrong. Die Wochentage. Say it loudly.
Wochentag.
Die Wochentage.
Die Wochentag.
Everybody
Die
be quiet. Only
Wochentage.
Kushagra will speak. Kushagra, keep your video on. You don't have to, switch off your videos. I don't know why you guys switch off your videos. Kushagra, where is your video? I can't see you. Now, don't switch it off. Okay, now what is
Okay,
this? What do we say, English?
English.
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 And what is this? Deutsch?
Deutsch.
Deutsch. Oi. Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Very nice. Now read Monday.
And Monday to Montag.
Continue.
Monday to Montag.
Correct. Continue. Tuesday.
Tuesday to Dienstag.
Okay. It's
Dienstag.
Dienstag. Kushagra, listen to me carefully. Dienstag.
Yes, ma'am.
Say it loud.
Dienstag.
Dienst. न भी आ रहा है देखो एन है बीच में. Dienstag. Tag.
Dienstag.
Very nice. Then now what is written this? See the cursor on the
Wednesday.
Mittwoch.
Mittwoch.
Very nice.
Mittwoch. Thursday. Donnerstag.
Very nice. Friday.
Freitag.
Freitag. का sound आना चाहिए.
Freitag.
Yes.
Freitag.
Okay.
Saturday. Samstag.
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 Okay, this is not A. Kushagra, ये जो लिखा है SA. This is not A. In German we say A as A. We have done the letters. So it's Samstag. A को हम A बोलते हैं. तो जहाँ पर भी A लिखा होगा, you have to pronounce it as A. Samstag. Kushagra, focus. Say Samstag.
Yes, ma'am.
Say it Samstag.
Gamstag.
Very nice. And what is this? Last Sunday?
Sonntag.
Very nice. Okay, now Rosni, it's your turn. Kushagra, go on mute. Rosni, unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, die.
It's not die.
Die
I'm not going to
was-
die.
Winter.
It's D. D-I-E is D in German.
D. Wochentage.
Okay, it's not Wochentage. It's Wochentage. Say.
Wochentage.
Very nice.
Wochentage.
Say it again loudly, confidently. Say it again.
The Wochentage.
Okay, it's not the, it's
The Wochentage.
Very nice.